Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Star Skills TV. My name is Mark and for those who are not new to the channel, maraming salamat for your continuous support. Today we'll be listening to a song entitled Hiccup, and the title of the group is Valley. And without further ado, my impression of the group is like it's somewhat like a Christian group, I guess. And the way the video was created, it's like a high school project. Not in a bad way. It's just that the concept behind it looks like a project for a particular subject. What I like about the song is the transition that it does from one beat to another. You would notice that there's one beat that it's slow and then it goes slower. But the thing is, I find it a bit confusing because of the video, the lyrics, and the choice of music. Not sure if they're trying to be inspirational or maybe just laid back or trying to make it a little depressive, or maybe I don't know. It's just the mixture of the elements that make the song is is just a mix up. It would probably make you listen to it again to analyze the message. But what I'm trying to say is there is a bet. Maybe make the beat, the speed of the song a bit faster. Maybe it would point you to it would give you some sort of direction. um, I think that's about it for me. I don't find any concerns with the voices actually fits the vibe. They didn't really play, and I'm not sure if they actually played an instrument. I think that's more of an electronic thing. I might be wrong. Please put in the comments, which is why I don't really have any reaction to it. If you have any other song that you'd like me to listen to for this group, please do so that I can give it another shot. If you have any information, trivia about the group, put in the comments and let's get to know them a bit better. For now, I would like to close this video by asking you guys to show some loving by clicking like, subscribe, and then the bell notifications so that whenever there's new content, you'll be the first to know. And I'll see you on the next video.